Hey, hello guys, as you can see I am using the XRAY mod for Minecraft. I'm going to show you how to download it, how to install it and how to actually use it for your current Minecraft version. Now without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that we want to do is check our current Minecraft version for the mod. Now let's go into the Minecraft launcher and here you open up the Java edition. Now as you can see in the top left corner, you see the latest version I'm running is 1.21.1. Now from out there, what you want to do, you want to open up your browser. As you can see right here, I'll link everything down in the description so you can easily copy and paste it. Now here you go into the link, which is CurseForge. This is a community run by Minecraft players who supply safe to use mods. Now here we scroll down to see all the version of the XRAY mod. Now we're going for the 1.21. Now it doesn't matter what you have after the 21, everything from out 1.21 is okay. If there's a version 1.22 coming out, then you have to use that one. Now here we're downloading the first one. Here simply use the three dots and press download file. Now from out here, as you can see, 3 to 4 seconds it will start. Now from out there in the top right corner we have the file located. Now it's inside our download folder. Now what you want to do next, you want to close down the browser and open up your Minecraft. Now and once your Minecraft opens up, what you want to do, you want to hop into the options right here, and from out the options we go into the resource packs. Because here what we want to do, we want to add the XRAY mod. Simply open up the pack folder right here and simply open up the downloads right here. The downloads where we are, as you can see here we have the XRAY Ultimate mod and we drag it inside the resource packs, as you can see. Now we can safely close down this window, and as you can see here we have the XRAY mod. Now we use the arrow to select the mod and from there press done. Now as you can see it loads already, and from there we can safely go inside our own world. Now let's check it out, and as you can see here we have the mod running active. Now as you can see, once you install the mod it should look something like this, where all the ore is blacked out. Now this isn't helpful when you're looking for ore, so what you need to do is simply press T, and from there you want to type in /effect give at s Minecraft and then the double night vision, and then you can put in infinite or a number of seconds, so infinite for example, and as you can see here we can start mining ores and looking for it. Now let's say you want to turn it off. It's very easy, simply press escape, go into the options, and from there go into the resource packs, and here move the XRAY to the left, press done, and from out there if you relaunch the world, as you can already see it's turned back to normal. Now it's easy as that. Now if the information in this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.